It's 31st and we are starting our day with some music and dance. प्यारी मोहिनी बना रही है हमारे लिए ब्रेकफास्ट. देखो गाइस, मेरे को विजन बोर्ड बनाना नहीं आता है. दिस टाइम आई विद माई फ्लैटमेट्स डिसाइडेड टू मेक इट. तो मैंने अपने हिसाब से सेगमेंट करके देन पिंटरेस्ट से आई डाउनलोडेड सम पिक्चर्स सो दैट वी कैन मेक अ प्रिटी विजन बोर्ड. This is the most responsible and smartest kid of the house. One thing that I was blessed with this year was finding these people as flatmates, which eventually turned into a family. I am so grateful to God for giving me these two people in 2025. It's 31st of December 2025 and I still feel like the entire year was like a nightmare, a dream that I lived through. My life changed completely. At times when you visualize a life moving ahead in a certain direction or in a certain way with certain people or with a certain timeline or duration in mind, and you feel like more or less there might be paths or times when you might feel that things might go not as planned, but maybe more or less like somewhere similar to that, right? But 2025 was the year for me where everything, every possible thing that I had thought in my life, every direction, every timeline, people that I'm going to be with, who I am going to evolve into, it changed completely. I'm not joking it if I would say that this year has been one of the most toughest, like it's like competing with the top one toughest year of my life. And I have cried days and nights and afternoons and felt so disoriented and so not myself. But through the entire process, I understood one thing. I learned to trust myself a lot, trust to learn the God that I believed in a lot, uh, trusted to accept a lot of things even when you don't want to accept, to let go of a lot of things, to let go of the control that you feel that you have on your life. Otherwise, we are all just stuck in a loop of pain and misery. And I do not want to stay in that loop of negativity and controlling of situations and things, because when I can see in front of my eyes that there are certain things which I cannot do and there are certain things which isn't purview of what I can control, that is me, my emotions, my feelings. No matter, I am a human, I feel everything, but I am taking this acceptance and letting go as biggest lessons of this year. So what we are doing today basically is going to a friend's place, to a mutual friend's place, and having kind of a girls night, kind of a small party. And today actually we decided that we'll make a vision board. So since morning, as you might have seen in my videos, that we have been trying to design and to find out the ideas what we want for the next year. And we all will be making vision boards for 2026. And it's a little thing, it's a small thing that makes a difference in how we feel about this year. And I'm actually waiting for the Blinkit wale bhaiya to come, because हमने वहाँ से ही print करवाया है. I'm also excited to see what is the quality of the paper that will come in, because the designs are awesome, and I'm just waiting for that. तो पार्सल कलेक्ट करने के बाद we looked at the pictures that came out and we were amazed. The quality and the pictures were awesome. Proving on some Bollywood music in the evening, because why not? Ready होते होते हिंदी गानों पर नाचना किसको पसंद नहीं है, ये बताओ मुझे. इवनिंग एंजॉय करते करते हम पहुंच गए अपने दोस्त के घर.
हाय गाइस, तुम लोग मेरे यूट्यूब वीडियो में आओगे, ये तो सुबह से ही चल रहा है. बट येस, दिस इज अ न्यू कैरेक्टर. दिस इज आवर फ्रेंड हु इज होस्टिंग अस फॉर टुनाइट. और ये हमारा आलिशान वेन्यू है फॉर आवर 31st नाइट. जल इज इम्पोर्टेंट.
ऐसे करके पूरा हमने कंटेंट भी ले लो. ठीक है, पोस्ट कर दो, फिर मेरी नौकरी वाले मुझे निकाल देगा कंपनी से कि जाना से.
हम कौन सी कंपनी है, क्या है, हम कुछ डिटेल्स नहीं देने वाले हैं. सॉरी, सेंसर है. ये नहीं कर सकते हम लोग स्नैकिंग करेंगे एंड वी आर वेरी इनोसेंट पीपल.
ये तो सिंटेक्स का पानी होता है. मरेगी नहीं तो पी ले.
कंटेंट दिस इज मोहिनी. आप तो सुबह से इसको वीडियो में देख ही रहे हो, बट देख लो इंटरेक्शन ऑफ अंशिता.
फैन फॉलोइंग मत देना मुझे.
अंशिता और मोहिनी का अलग से फैन फॉलोइंग बेस होना चाहिए.
भाई सच में पता है, मेरी इसकी वीडियोस बहुत वायरल हो रही है.
ISION.
ये जो क्लास 3
बोर्ड.
के बच्चे होते हैं उनको जैसे मम्मी सिखाती हैं.
बहुत सारी बकचोदी करने के बाद वी वर हंग्री, सो वी डिसाइडेड टू ऑर्डर सम स्नैक्स. Late in the evening, we decided to go to a temple and say our prayers in front of Lord and be thankful of all the times He led us through the difficult year in each of our lives. Thank you, God, for being an anchor in my life in such a difficult year. Here I am standing at your shelter, smiling and growing. टेम्पल से आने के बाद हम अपना मिशन पूरा करने बैठ गए.
तुरंत एक्सप्रेशन ही अलग हो जाता है प्रतीक्षा की वीडियो बनते ही.
एस्थेटिक्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट.
हम कट कर रहे हैं अपने विजन बोर्ड के लिए. 2026 में मैनिफेस्ट करेंगे भयंकर. भगवान जी को बोलेंगे, भगवान जी ये देखो आपके पास लिस्ट चली गई है. Me and my girls channeling all our energy into this vision board. और हम तो एकदम इतने फोकस में ये विजन बोर्ड बनाया है हमने 2 घंटे लेके कि लाइक मैं क्या ही बताऊँ. द डेडिकेशन वॉज फुल ऑन. देयर वॉज अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी विद इन अस. वी वर हैप्पी, वी वर स्माइलिंग, गिगलिंग, talking through things, having snacks, and just enjoying the work that we were doing alongside each other, as you can see. Bidding adieu to 2025 with a heavy heart, but it did give me a bunch of people who loved me, held me through the most difficult times of my life. The coming 2026 is a year with more hope and more grace from God. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a great year ahead.